So the first we have ज़्यादा देर तक मत जागना. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. उंगली मत दिखाओ. Don't point your finger. Don't point your finger. हिम्मत है तो करके दिखाओ. Do it if you are bold enough. Do it if you are bold enough. सब कैसा चल रहा है? How are things? How are things? खाक अच्छा है ये. The hell it's good. The hell it's good. मेरे शर्ट का बटन टूट गया. My shirt button has come off. My shirt button has come off. दूसरों को परेशान नहीं करो. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. I have got nothing. I have got nothing. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. हवा कुछ तेज हो रही है. The wind is raising. The wind is raising. मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I do this? How can I do this? मेरे पाँव में मोच आ गई है. I have got sprained. I have got sprained. वो बाल बाल बचा. He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. किसी चीज़ से गंदी बदबू आ रही है. Something smells bad. Something smells bad. तुम फालतू में परेशान हो रहे हो. You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. जो दिल में आए करो. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. मुझे इस बारे में थोड़ा पता है. I know a bit about it. I know a bit about it. शायद मैं ये करूं. I might do that. I might do that. बच्चे को मत रुलाओ. Don't make the child weep. Don't make the child weep. इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? क्या तुम्हारे साथ कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? वो सोने का नाटक कर रही है. She is pretending to sleep. She is pretending to sleep. वो पेट के बल सोता है. He sleeps on his stomach. He sleeps on his stomach. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? मुझे कल याद दिलाना. Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? अपना सर सीधा रखो. Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight. बिल्कुल तुमने ठीक किया. Definitely you did right. Definitely you did right. Now it's time for quiz. Number 1, वो पेट के बल सोता है. Number 2, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. Thank you so much for watching.